driving into the parking lot. It is open, but it is full of cars. But if you don't find parking here, you can always park across the road. There is another parking in the fields there. The entry to this parking is just is a lot of space there. The entry to that parking is just down the road there, to the right. So if you don't find a parking here, there is another parking just across the road, and you can always park there. That's explaining you. As I see, is mainly rental cars and foreign cars that are here. Maybe people are hurrying up because, you know, now Volcano may stop in 1-2 weeks, they say. So people are hurrying up to see the volcano today and next days. So I'll park the parking and start my bike first, biking, and after that I will just hike. I'll just bike a small distance, like 2 kilometers, and then I just leave my bike on close to the lava wall, and I will hike from there. So here is, I found a spot where I can leave my car, and we will, it's a bit too narrow, but it's okay. Yes, it's fine. Anyway, see the hikers coming from the volcano. Talk to you later. At the parking lot there is a nice map here where you can see the trails. Here we are right now, P1, and P2 is here, it's a bit further south. So I'm going to bike now. The first part, like from here, I'm going to bike all the way to here. So I will bike 1.2 almost 2 kilometers I save by biking, and then I have to hike. And this uphill is the worst here, like this uphill, and then it's you hike through the plateau, through the mountain, all around the old volcano. You see there's the old volcano here, and then to Litlihrutur 2023 up there. I was just speaking to people right now, and they saw the volcano, saw me pictures. There is less activity now, it's kind of dying out, but there is magma in the crater. We will film it, so I have to hurry up. Talk to you later.